Okay, well now we have two views of a fountain. That's just great. Well, now we have nothing. Wow, we're supposed
It's
to.
over with.
Well, it should be. Well, this is just fascinating as it can be. We have now two cameras operating, and no grand finale in sight. Well, I have two stories to tell. I don't know which one I want to tell you first. Well, we can do a side-by-side comparison of Canon versus Olympus. Both cameras are 16 meg. Both are recording.
What time does it start? About 10:30?
No, it started at 10. Maybe 10:15. Whoops. So we're doing a side-by-side comparison now, but of course to the viewer, it's not going to be side-by-side. It's going to be one YouTube, well, a combination of YouTube clips. Now, something happened to the focus